Hello everyone, my name is Basavaraju. In this today video, I am going to explain how we can create checkbox field in Salesforce. If you are beginner for Salesforce, this video will more helpful for you. So let's start with what is checkbox. A checkbox field in Salesforce is a Boolean field like true, false. It is mainly used for when you want yes or no values. So for example, is customer is active or payment is received. Is that verified the user in that time, we will go with checkbox. So what is a checkbox then? Checkbox is a data type in Salesforce. It accepts only two values, yes or no, or true or false. True means checked, false means the checkbox is unchecked. Okay, you can also set default value like checked or unchecked. So then how to create checkbox field in Salesforce? So first we need one requirement. So currently I have a one object like receipts. So in this receipts, I have some fields. Okay, I need one more field like this receipt is verified or this receipt is accepted. Like so for this I need one checkbox. How to create checkbox? Then first we need to click on setup. In setup, you need to click on edit object. Once you click on edit object, you need to go fields and relationships. Just click on fields and relationships. In the right side, you can see new button is there. Just click on that new button. So we need to select new field data type. Our field data type is checkbox. So that's why I select checkbox. Then click on next. We need to give the label name. Label name is receipt verified. Okay. You can also set the default value. I previously said, right? You can also set default value like checked or unchecked. So I will currently make it as unchecked. Then click on next. You need to give the field level security for profile. So I will make it as everyone can visible. Then click on next. Click on save. Now that our field is ready. So we need to check with page layout. First click on page layouts. Open receipt layout. In here we can see receipt verified field is there. So currently it is there. I will put it on this place. Okay. Then I will make it as quick save. Then we need to go back to receipt objects. Just make it as add refreshed one. Then close this. Try to create new receipt. I will click on new. So in here we can see receipt verified field is present. Currently is unchecked. If you set default value as checked, it will automatically comes with checked. So this is how we can create checkbox field in Salesforce. I hope you understand this thing. Thank you for watching.